Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to talk about Facebook video and what is the ideal length for a Facebook video. Well, as usual, there's no simple answer, but there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Number one, you've heard me talk about the importance of putting Facebook videos on your Facebook pages because Facebook algorithm loves them, and you'll get better engagement and better conversions and better rankings by including videos in your content. So how long should these videos be? Well, the first thing to take into account is that most audiences tend to drop off around the 90-second mark. So it's hard to keep people engaged after 90 seconds. And the Facebook algorithm used to favor these shorter videos. So, it was in your best interest to keep your videos to like 1 to 2 minutes long. But nowadays, the algorithm favors longer videos. But that doesn't mean you should go out and make videos that are longer just for the sake of being longer. You still need to be very engaging. Because what happens is if people lose interest early and they drop off early, the longer videos aren't going to help you very much. What's important is what's called percent completion. So in other words, if you create a video that's a minute long and people stay for 50%, which is about 30 seconds, versus if you create a video that's 2.5 minutes long and they stay for half of that, the longer video is going to rank higher than the shorter video. So you do want to create longer videos, but that means you have to up your game. You need to be more engaging and keep people interested for longer if you want the longer content to affect your ranking. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please subscribe. I put out a new video and a new blog every week. Until next week, take care.